grinder?
I'll tell you when you're older.
Okay.
But for now, it's time for, speaking of grinder, it's time for another blind date.
Already?
Yes, already. Let's get Azzy? Azzy? Azzy. And Danielle. And Azzy, take the microphone. Danielle, you'll be getting this microphone in a second, so just hold on for one little bit, because you're going to be doing a little something something with Dylan and Big Mike. So, actually, Azzy and Danielle, if you want to stand over on this side, we'll just pull that so nobody trips, because that'd be dangerous, but watch out so you don't break my water and stuff. What's going to be happening is these two are going to be doing a nice regular scene, but you two will be providing the sound effects for them. So, Azzy, you'll be doing sound effects for Big Mike. Danielle, you'll be doing it for Dylan. So if Big Mike needs to cock a shotgun, and if Dylan needs to pet a cat, and you'll just be carrying out like that during the scene while they do their normal thing. But, so that's a good one. So these two are, they're going to be portraying their blind date. They happen to be going to a convention. What kind of convention are they going to? Yeah, fine. I really should have expected that. So
Pull yourself to blame.
Yeah, I know. I'm just going to go to my scene and shame, hit off the microphone, and tell you guys to start doing your furry convention.
Way too accurate. Over here!
Oh, hi! Hi! I love your fox outfit. You look fantastic.
Thank you. I wear it to assert dominance.
Wow. Oh, I think your zipper's undone. Do you mind if I do it?
Oh, please. You have very brisk hands.
You know, I practice. I play the piano, actually.
Really?
Yeah, I actually,
I'd love to hear you play.
There's one in the hotel lobby right here. Would you like to hear a little bit of...
Of course, so convenient.
I like some themes.
You got a really good echo on that. All right, well, is this your first furry convention?
Yeah, it is, actually.
Oh, I really should have taken a girl to my first furry convention. But by God, I'm going to make this work, and you're going to fall in love with me, gosh darn it.
Well, okay, if you say so. Where are we going first?
Well, first we're going to do something with a lot of sound involved, but I can't think of it quite yet.
Well, how about the crafting panel?
That'd be great.
Great, there's one going on right now in that room. Let's go.
Good, let's open up the doors. They're really loud. And caw.
I love this bird-themed hotel.
I know. That's why the furries came here.
It's fantastic.
Away, birds, away!
Oh, wow.
I'm not that kind of dog.
I've got a prop. It's a big hammer.
Oh, okay. Well, thankfully I have a shotgun to repel the birds.
I don't think
And I'm
that's gonna
sad now. I'm going to try cocking it again, see if I can get a better thing on that. Good enough. Would you like a bird? Do you like birds?
I love birds.
Excellent. I'm going to get you.
I'm doing a dog fursuit right now, so it sort of works.
Okay, then. So I'm going to shoot a bird down for you.
Okay.
Pick one you like.
That one.
That one?
Yeah, the goose.
Okay. Aw, the bullets bounced right off the goose.
Are you using rubber pellets?
I think I'm using just a really bad gun.
Well, why don't I make you another one? I'm actually pretty good at woodcraft.
Really? You're using woodcraft to make a gun. That will in no way go wrong.
Let me start off.
Go ahead. Yeah. Let me start off as any steel at all. Okay, rock and roll.
Let me start off whittling this piece of wood. Just with this toothbrush. And now it's nice and clean and it's ready to go on the lathe.
All right,
so I'll start up the lathe. I guess I'm not so good at woodcraft as I thought. Well, maybe you can use this block of wood somehow to kill that goose for me.
Well, I can beat the goose to death with this block of wood.
Okay, I believe in you.
You believe that I can beat a goose to death with a block of wood?
First we
I have very good upper body strength. So
you have to get to the 3rd floor so you can reach it. Let's climb some stairs.
Right then. You have such loud footballs.
They're really big cosplay feet.
Fair enough. Okay, we're on the 3rd floor. Okay. Open the door.
Lion floor.
All right. do you want me to kill for you?
That one with the evil laugh. That fucker.
Okay. I'll get him for you.
You will?
Yeah, of course. I don't care what you want, Goose. No, I don't. I don't recognize you.
It's not even. Oh my gosh.
It's like it's nerve. What the hell? Okay, that does it. I'm getting desperate. I'm just going to use my raw fist to punch this goose.
That's so
and
lucky.
hopefully they will make a masculine sound. Okay? And maybe if someone imitated Street Fighter, I'd get it, okay? Aha! I'm sorry. I can't do it!
Honey, let me try for you.
Okay.
I think I can do it.
You know what? I don't feel so bad about nothing right now.